If you are quarantined or stuck at home due to this COVID-19 situation and you're trying to find a way to make money online, then here's a quick tip. You can start vlogging, video blogging. So vlogging using videos. Now you might be thinking, oh my God, I never shot a video. No problem, you still can. And you don't really have to be a pro or you no need a professional training for starting vlogging. You just need to use your camera, whatever camera you have, phone, smartphone, or any camera that you have. Just start shooting video. You just need a couple of tips, a couple of rules to follow. So I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to make this vlogging thing very easy for you. First of all, I'm not a professional vlogger and I don't have a big fan base, a big followers on YouTube or anywhere, but I'm trying to build. But my contents helped me build a 7-figure business online, digital product company online. My company develops and markets digital products, and yes, I have a 7-figure business online. What I'm saying from my experience. Yeah, so let's begin. First of all, you need a little bit of experience. You can have that experience from learning from YouTube. Go and search how to shoot videos, and you'll find a lots of talks, videos, advice about videos. This will help you learn to shoot a little better videos, better than what you shoot now. Like, I'll give you an example. Do you see the lights on my face? Well, it's a different kind of light. It's not exactly a flat light, just like this. It's a little different. My face is bright on one side and dark on the other side. It's called cinematic light, although it's not a cinema shot. It's not a cinema shot, but not even a professional video shot. I have a shaky hand, shaky camera, and bad sound and bad everything. But I try to use the location that I have ready in my studio. By the way, don't get freaked out about my gloves. These are my COVID-19 protection gloves. Anyways, so I'm using a spot of my studio as a shortcut place. I mean, I just quickly switch on the lights and take my camera and shoot this video. So to make it quick, I use this place. You need to learn a little bit about camera, a little bit about lighting, a little bit about how to use what you have. Like, I have this place, these lights, this camera, and shoot videos. Talk about stories. Now about stories, don't freak out. You don't really have to tell a story or a nice looking vlog the first time. What you need to do is to carry a small notebook and a small pen and take notes whenever ideas come to your mind. Ideas about what you want to talk about in your videos. Make sure your idea has a little bit of humor, a little bit of information. So if you try to help your audience with information and entertainment, well, you're going to create an awesome content on your vlog, and then just start shooting. The next thing is practicing. Practice makes perfect. Take the camera and start shooting. Most of the times, most of the clips won't be usable. You have to dump a lot of clips and you have to be ready for that. So please start practicing. Another way to practice is to go to your washroom and speak in front of the mirror, or just speak in front of the mirror, or just speak to yourself, or simply take your notes and start talking about them with or without camera. Once you take a couple of shots about something, you will get at least one shot wonderful. Usually in my case, the last shot is perfect. That's why I'm not taking the shot again, right? About some bad habits, because I have that, I know it, and that's why I'm talking about it. I usually, when I speak, I say a lot of and, so, that, because. These are good in some places, and these are not good if they're overused. So try to remove bad habits. I'm trying my best, and I believe in this clip, in this very video, I used these connecting words the least ever in my life because I'm conscious about it. Yesterday, I was watching a course on interior design with my daughter. The trainer was an interior design celebrity, and she was using one of those connecting words way too much. Trust me, it wasn't professional. Although the course was professional and she was one of the best in the industry. But those connecting words, overuse of those connecting words were not so professional. They were kind of irritating. So you can easily make your videos less irritating, more entertaining by practicing consciously. Practice makes perfect. So if you think this video was helpful with the 3 tips I shared, number 1, have a camera and have whatever you have. Use whatever you have. Second, take notes about your content. 3, practice, remove bad habits. Shoot better content every time with practice. That's it. That was an awesome shot. I love it. If you loved it, if you think this video was helpful, then please be excited and smash the red subscribe button below this video and make sure you switch on the notification bell button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Wow, I'm so excited. And I got this excitement at the end of the video. I should have taken rewind the excitement at the beginning, but I can't do it now. I will keep some of my excitements for my future videos, and I hope they will be more exciting. Let me know what you think about this video, the content, the shaky camera, the sound, the lights you see, my outfit, and overall video. Learn from my mistakes. Take notes. Don't make the same mistakes. Shoot better videos, better contents every time. And when you shoot something, go share with them, with the world, with your friends and family. Everybody's quarantined now, right at the moment. Go and shoot and share your videos with your friends and family, every quarantined people in the world, and ask them to subscribe to your channel. Ask them to like your videos. If they don't like, tell them that if you hate me, please like my videos. Yes, I'm serious. Tell them, if you love me, like my videos. And if you hate me, please like my videos 3 times. Well, 3 times means they will like once, the next one will be unlike, and the next one will be like again. Yes, it works. Odd number. Don't say like me twice. Tell them like my video 3 times. And then make sure you subscribe if you hate me. And if you're lovers, then make sure you subscribe if you love me. Haters, make sure you subscribe if you hate me. So do things like that and make sure everybody in the world watches your video from quarantine. And this is how you make money from quarantine. I'm too damn serious. This is what I am doing and making 7 figures. You should be doing it too. Bari signing off. Take care. Smash the subscribe button. Smash the notification button and get all my videos instantly. Take care. Bye-bye.